And syempre, thank you ha. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit ako nag-thank you sa'yo. Baka ma-insecure sila. Hindi mo, basta may naalala siya from, na-touch ako sa message, naalala mo talaga from the first press con, talagang tinupad mo, okay? Pero eto, Bad Genius, the series for Viva One, pero kami happy kami sa'yo. Alam namin kung gaano ka magaling, kasi hindi ka naman Atasha Mula, kundi ka magaling din, katulad ng parents mo, Aga and Shirley. Pero Atasha, syempre, ang kambal mo, si Andres, na mamayagpag ang kanyang Viva One series din na ang mutya ng Section E, milyones talaga ang mga views. Ang lakas-lakas, grabe. Lalong lumakas ang Viva One because of that series also. So, ngayon dito sa Bad Genius, hindi ko ba na-pressure or na-excite kang sundan ng mga yapak ng kambal mo?
I'm very excited. Of course, I'm nervous kasi ito pa yung first lead na project. Pero in terms of the work itself, when I first heard about it, I already knew that accepting it, I'm going to give my 100%. Wala po akong expectation kung what the result's gonna be. But as long as I can promise myself that I give my 100%, then I'll be super, super happy with that.
Yeah. Pero yun, alam ko, pinagandaan nyo na may mga ganap na kayo sa dito about this, no? Pero syempre, ito, bukod sa, syempre, ang susundan nyo is yung mutya ng Section E. And yung original neto, original movie, talagang super blockbuster. Kaya nga, maraming spin-off, di ba? For the cast na rin, and direct, Derek, yun nga, gaano kayo ka-excited, yun, tapos kasi yung original nga, di ba, grabe yung feedback.
Sige, sino gusto magsimula? From this end, from Gab.
Hello po. First of all, I'm really grateful and blessed na makasama sa project after po nung ginawa namin na Chasing in the Wild na follow-up po nung Bad Genius. And when I saw the series, it's such a good series and the movie. So I'm just really excited to shoot this, and ibang-iba po kasi ito sa character ko nung last na ginawa ko. So I'm really excited to showcase what we have.
Siyempre naman po, like, I'm super excited. In terms of pressure, I mean, we all know that this is such an internationally well-loved film and series. Then, so just knowing that, we all feel super grateful that we were trusted with the responsibility for these roles, and we're just excited to show everyone the whole story and our characters from a new perspective, a Filipino perspective. So, yeah.
Jairus?
Syempre sobrang excited since it's a different story na madalas natin napapanood sa TV or sa series. And very much excited kasi it's a different material for me. Kaya masaya. And working with Tash, with Highcap pa rin, exciting kasi we'll see kung ano yung may bibigay namin na best namin para sa series na ito.
Direct,
Syempre excited, sobra, Tito Jun. To be honest, dito, ang daming preparations na ginawa eh. I mean, nung unang inalok sa akin yung project, hindi rin ako kagad na-decide tanggapin siya. Parang pinag-isipan ko muna kasi ang taas ng expectation dun sa buong project. So parang sabi ko nga, parang it's a different material from what I usually do. And then, so parang, paano mo siya babaguhin? Kasi di ba yan ang main problem natin kapag adaptation eh. I mean, ang taas ng expectations, and then kailangan mo tapatan yung expectations, and then anong patakaiba ng project na to sa sa mga nagawa na before, how you're going to change it. And ang dami preparations na ginawa ng staff, to be honest, from each department, from the production design, from their costumes, and then the cinematography, even the scoring and the music. And then also, I remember parang, kayo guys may mga preparations kayo eh. Parang hindi ako nagkakamali, you guys done series of workshops. Kasi parang to prepare lang sila para sa buong material. Yun.
Also, just wanting to add to that, we're all very, very grateful even as actors, we all see the effort that the team has put into making this such an incredible story. And they've really put a lot of effort paying attention to the details of how to make it unique to our culture and our audience. And thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat for all of that. Thank you.
Siyempre, good luck and congrats. Ang bongga ng Viva One talaga, di ba, PB?
Sobra.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Ju.
Hi! Congratulations everybody! Everyone's really looking forward to this series, especially that, you know, it broke so many records back in 2017. So my question is for Tash. It was also quite controversial, the storyline, right? So, did you have any apprehensions upon, you know, accepting the role? Especially that, yun na nga, it's gonna be, you're gonna have an adaptation in the Philippines and yun na, hahalawin pa siya sa kultura natin and all that jazz.
I wouldn't say, hindi naman controversial, pero when I first heard about the project, and I've seen the project before when I was back in college, I would see clips of the movie. And so when I first heard about it, hindi naman controversial, but more so it's a great story. And it's such an honor and a blessing to be doing this project.
That's nice. Alright. So no apprehensions whatsoever or kinabahan ka ba na parang ang laki ng role, di ba?
Of course, I'm nervous kasi it's a big role, pero of course, at the end of the day, I'm super game to take the risk as long as I give my best, try my best, and I don't ever want to take this for granted. So if anything, I'm really honored and my heart's filled with so much gratitude.
What were your preparations?
Marami. Starting with the script work, acting workshops, understanding the character, studying the films and the series.
Balita ko, meron
Go
pa
ahead.
I remember, di ba, Tash, parang nabanggit mo sa amin na parang your parents was giving you advice or you guys talk about it? Paano ba nangyari?
Yes, we actually discussed it at home, of course. So they would advise both me and Andres usually with the project, and they're very much excited and super supportive about it. If we have any questions regarding the script or how to attack the certain sequence, they're more than happy to help. And with that, we're so thankful.
Sobrang swerte, parang may acting coach na sa bahay, di ba? Hindi lang yung tutor mo, experts talaga, tsaka award-winning. Alright, thank you, congratulations.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Miss M.
Hi, good afternoon. This first question is for Derek. Hindi ka ba nape-pressure because yung president nito na mutya ng section E is sobrang malakas. And same question to Atasha. Dahil dun sa kapatid naman niya.
Well, totoo po, sobrang pressured, of course. Maraming bagay eh. It's one of the reason why parang pinag-isipan ko muna yung project eh. I mean, yung paggagalingan mo is Mutia, which is ang lakas-lakas niya sa Viva One. And then at the same time, the franchise itself, yung Bad Genius. Kasi generation ko eh. I mean, napanood ko, nasundan ko yung buong pelikula, and then, kumbaga, alam namin yung buong kwento eh. So, parang question ko, paano babaguhin to? Paano mo i-elevate yung buong serye? Eh, meron ng sinet na standard, parang hindi ka makakababa na dun. So, yun. I mean, malaking factor yun. Tapos na syempre, parang inisip ko, sinong katrabaho dito? Sinong artista dito? Sinong casting dito? So, ang daming question na naglalaro sa isip ko nun. And at the same time, nung present na sa akin yung cast and then nung buong material na nung nag-yes na ako, I'm grateful na kinonsider ako dito ng Viva for this project. We did a lot of research. Ako personally, parang nandun yung kaba, at the same time yung takot na parang may mapapantayan mo ba yung series na lumabas. And then at the same time yung film. But it's a big challenge. And I love challenges na parang paano ko siya babaguhin, anong bagong timpla, anong flavor, kung itatagdag mo. And then I was hoping also na later on that it will help also na mag-generate pa ng more viewers for Viva One ng buong franchise ng Bad Genius.
Okay, before Atasha, Direk ulit, are you touching any parang issues about our system of education in the Philippines? Yeah.
Yes, of course. It's one of the given about Bad Genius. I think it's one of the reasons why na kung bakit siya nag-hit in several countries, kumbaga, from US to India to Thailand. Because it's not just a pop culture, it also tackles the social commentaries about the issues of the situation of the education system. And for me, ito yung mga bagay na gusto rin namin inject, na parang the whole series is not just to entertain you, and then at the same time to give you a new image on what we could offer doon sa, alam na natin kasi lahat yung kwento eh. Pero at the same time na maitakal din namin yung mga social issues like education and the situation of education right now, na kumbaga, part siya ng discussion ng buong serye.
Okay, thank you. Natasha, yun nga, parang magkakaroon ng competition between you and your twin brother. So how do you feel about it?
Okay lang, wala naman competition po kasi that's my brother. He is my best friend since day one. If anything, I am so proud of him and I'm so happy for him with how he's doing with Mutya and the whole cast of Mutya in Section 8. A big congratulations to them, and I always tell them that. So in terms of competition or pressure when it comes to my family, wala po ganun. Wala. Support lang. Support at love.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat.
Love team. I mean, I just want to act. Sa totoo lang. I just want to work, and if the opportunity comes, then why not? Because my rule in life, and I always say this, is I don't want to close my doors with anything. At least I get to say that